Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the physical controls and enabling the function layer. Once you locate mute, vol and vol plus or an FN secondary, make sure the FN lock is off so keys send multimedia signals. If keys do nothing, open sound settings and press a key while watching the volume indicator. That proves the signal reaches the OS. Make sure OEM utilities or drivers are installed so the keyboard maps correctly. Once done, you can use those keys immediately to change sound. Now map or adjust shortcuts so the keys do exactly what you want. If defaults work, test them across apps. Media keys can be intercepted by players. On Windows, assign or script keys with auto hotkey to send precise volume steps. This gives repeat and step size control. On macOS, ensure media keys are not reassigned and use system settings to restore defaults if needed. On Linux, bind keys in your desktop environment to Amixer or Pactal commands. Finish by testing and refining behavior so volume control feels natural. You should try adjusting repeat rate and step increments in the keyboard utility or script to match your preference. Make sure the correct audio output device is selected in the system mixer so changes apply. If keys still fail, toggle the FN lock, reinstall keyboard drivers, or temporarily connect another keyboard to isolate hardware versus software issues. If nothing helps, a quick reboot often resets the multimedia layer and fixes the problem.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.